Hi, good afternoon. It's me, Josie, and I am in Canary Wharf at the moment. And I'm just gonna film this beautiful view in here in Canary Wharf. I am in the River Thames actually, and Canary Wharf is a very busy place for tourism, and this is a like a business industries anyway, where all the big time business people are based in here. All the icons, all these businesses all over the world that in here in Canary Wharf. But anyway, I'm just gonna film this one for you, and I hope you enjoy it. uh, that's a beautiful view in there, and that's a building, and there's a lot of people actually. And this is actually the ferry that we ride. We spend our day in here from where we are, because this is a tourist spot, where all the people come here to enjoy themselves and just to really enjoy the ferry ride, and just keep stopping and from end to end to Battersea to Putney to Battersea is a new one which is been rebuilt rebuilt last few years ago, and it's actually on my channel, and that is some of the building as well. Sorry to interrupt. And this is the high-speed boat, as you can see. If you're in a hurry, you're in the rush, you can ride in that boat to keep, because a lot of people here are working in the office, and if they, some of them are like executives, they bring their cars, and it's not easy to park here in London if you're working, so they bring their cars and they park somewhere else, and they ride in that boat, which is really very high speed. And then you just pay that. It's quite expensive, it's not cheap. So here it is. This is Canary Wharf, one of the busiest place in London. This is quite a very rich area, very rich. This is a business center, and that's all the flats in the houses, flats, as you can see. That's the Shard in there, which is quite close to Tower of London, where you see that in my video as well. So I just swap it around, and that's the ferry that we ride on that ferry. As you see, Canary Wharf, it says Canary Wharf, and I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna walk around in a minute so you got the idea how it looks. And this is a beautiful tree here in Canary Wharf, a nice lovely tree, and some of them, they got quite a lot of restaurants in here as well. So there's quite a lot of restaurants as well. You will really enjoy it. And I am gonna stand here for a while in the shade, because it's really hot. It's really warm today, and this is the first time that I feel really warm here in London, because since May and June is not bad at all. It's always really sunny, but for some reason it's been changed. It's the other way around. It's always like that. July and August, it can be tricky. It's supposed to be summer, supposed to be really warm, but unfortunately you only got about once a week, not even once a week. This is the first time since August that it's really sunny. And here we go. And there's another ferry there that you can have a look. That's another ferry. And that is owned by someone, of course, because there are very, very wealthy people here that they own their boat, like a yacht or whatever, and they own that one. Some of them they own, because there are quite a lot of very rich people out in here, so obviously they can afford it. And there's another boat there as well. They're all coming, and it's back. That speedboat is back. It's just keep coming backwards and forwards to pick up people who are in the rush for the appointment or whatever. And these are all the buildings here as well. This is the offices, because a lot of people are back now as well at work. Some of them are still working online, and a lot of these people are back now. And since the pandemic, since the COVID, they're back. So obviously I'm not back because I'm retired. So I stopped working now, which I used to work in NHS, in the hospital. I used to work as administrator, and now I'm a YouTuber. That's weird. And I hope you enjoy my channel today. That's the shard in there. I actually filmed this a while ago, but for some reason I didn't notice it, that it stopped, so I had to do it again. And I hope you enjoy it today. That's all the flats in there as well. Some of them are flats, some are offices. And you can see that tall building there. They're all offices there, the banks, which is collaborated with all over the world. Some of the business people here, and some of these are very tall buildings as well, and has lovely birds. That one. There's another boat coming. We're gonna be there in one of that over boat later on, because we're coming back now. We still have to just enjoy ourselves, enjoy the view here in this is River Thames anyway. This is where, if you remember, if you had seen it, there's another speedboat in there. If you have seen it before, the Queen Elizabeth of England, which obviously she's passed away now. She had one of his jubilee here in London. This is our boat that we're going to catch up later. Over boat. We're gonna catch up that later on. And that's quite speed as well. And I hope you enjoy my film for today. I'm just gonna have my face in there. It's really, really nice. Anyway, I'm going back to here because it's quite warm. As I said, this is really the first time that it's really warm here in London. And as you can see, I haven't really got much film because as I said, I'm actually suffering from skin condition at the moment. I got so many rashes all over my legs, all over my body, and I don't know what's going on. I am on medication, I am on ointment, I am on moisturizer, you name it. And I got a scalp problem. My scalp has been really bad and it's very dry and so itchy, and my skin is so itchy. I got some special shampoo that I had to use and for my skin as well, you know. Some are helping, but it's quite slow. So sometimes I'm really, you name it, I'm really tired and sick of it. But what can you do? This sometimes it happens to us, to anybody. I don't know exactly what's going on, because as far as I remember, I got my vaccine or something else, and then 2 weeks time I started to feel some rashes in my skin. So I don't know, so far I'm on medication. I hope I will get better soon. I'm just gonna film that again for you, and I'm going soon because this is quite it's a bit more sunshine now. It's quite warm, so I had to be here. It is a little bit more shade on it. I got shade. This is a nice place. That's the boat. There are people getting off in there. And that's the boat that we're going to take one later. And that's a Canary Wharf. There are some buildings here as well. These are some of the buildings. Sorry, I had to delete some of them now. And there are some boats as well that just keep coming backwards and forwards. In here, I'm just gonna film this one as well. This is some of the very tall building here, as you can see in Canary Wharf. We have China, Canary Wharf as a ferry. Hang on a minute, because it's quite warm. I had to delete some of them. I am just filming some different directions. Some restaurant here as well. That's the view. I'm going back now to that little park where we used to spend our day and rest. That's some of the restaurant there. And And I hope you enjoy my video for today. That's a very tall building. And this is Canary Wharf. You can see that one there. And that's a very tall building. And I'm gonna close my video now. Sorry, I'm gonna close. I'm gonna stop my video now. I'm gonna close what I'm talking about. And thank you so much for watching my channel. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you like my video, please let me know. And I'll try to find the same place or area that I can film if you enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe. That's the Royal China they called it. It's a restaurant, and I'm gonna go up now. I'm going up now to this place. And I will stop filming, and I hope you enjoy it. And, I'm going up in the stairs now. And that's it. That's Canary Wharf. And there's a lot of bike in here as well. This is like used by public if you want to bike. That's Canary Wharf. This is in London, by the way. These are all the bikes. You see, you can use that if you want. That's Canary Wharf. This is the view, and people just relax in the grass, which is quite normal here in London. Oh, people can be very funny. I'm gonna stand up here because it's quite warm. That's the place behind me. I used to bite my tongue. That's it. Thanks for watching my channel. It's me, Josie from Gandabel, and I hope you enjoy it. Not gonna be long now, and I'm just gonna wait. I'm actually here crossing the road in the traffic light. I'm not gonna take a chance. I'm gonna press there's a bus coming, and I can film the bus. And that's a park. And I can see that. This is a park. And that's a building there. This is where I film. And here we go. There we are. I'm just gonna film these beautiful flowers in here. This is where we sit for a little while. And thank you for watching my channel. What can you see?
It's a beautiful garden, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
Seeing him.
beautiful garden.
Very relaxing.
Very
Had a great day, haven't
yeah. Yeah, I filmed that
Oh.
one there.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a glorious day. Glorious summer's day.
Yeah. Really enjoy
Yeah.
the day. We've been to a ferry, innit?
Yeah.
Mm.
Beautiful boat ride
Yeah,
on the Thames. From Putney to Greenwich.
yeah.
Now we're in the Canary Wharf.
That's right. We're in Canary Wharf.
We're part of the City of London,
Yeah,
the business financial district.
yeah, financial district. And we're gonna go back in 1 hour, 2 hours. Oh, what's that?
It's just a few rooms.
Yeah. Can you see?
Yeah.
All right. I will stop it now and say thank you so much for watching my channel. And see you in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. It's me, Josie and Jeff. Bye.